What's going down, guys? Welcome to my channel. Welcome again. My name is Tomas and I review beard products, and in today's video we're going to be reviewing another beard product. It is beard oil that came from the Bearded Bastard company, and there are two main reasons why I always wanted to try their products. Okay, reason number one is this wooden label they use on their beard oils, on the beard oil bottles, and you know, that's like always something that nobody's doing it. It's only the Bearded Bastard, and I always wanted to know whether it's real wood, just like they claim on their website, or whatever. Now, I ordered a little sample because, and that's the reason number two I always wanted to try the Bearded Bastard, is because they have these, not a lot of scents available on their website. Well, when I say a lot, I mean some beard companies, they would have 10 or 15 scents, but you know, the Bearded Bastard company has, I don't know, 5, 6 maybe, I'm not sure about the exact number. But, you know, still, it's good. And now their names are, I don't know, the one that I've ordered was Early Riser. This is what it looks like. Even the small bottle came wrapped around this wooden label. And they have these names, like my next one that I want to try is Morocco. They have another one that calls Woodsman, then another one that's Opium Den, Barbershop Beard Oil, which is really like cool, and at the same time you kind of wonder what that scent stands for. Now, the reason why I chose this Early Riser was because there's a little video on their website that comes with the scent, and it's about the founder of the company. His name is Jay Newton, who explains where this particular name Early Riser comes from, and it comes from his childhood when he was a young boy. He used to hike a lot, and his breakfast before the hike was always a lot of pancakes loaded with maple syrup and a lot of butter. And I kind of like wanted to know, how do you transfer that into a beard oil? How do you transfer that scent, that smell? How do you make that happen? Well, somehow he managed that happen. I don't know how, but he really did. And like trying these and applying these on your beard, it really smells like, you know, I just ate pancakes, and yeah, that maple syrup, it's still in my beard, which is freaking phenomenal. Now, this is what it looks like. Like I said, it's a real wood. This is a wooden label. It says Early Riser right here, and I think it's cool. I really like that. You know, I've never seen it before. You know, he's the only one making these labels, and it's just cool. It's not, you know, fancy or anything, but it's a simple thing, but it's really cool. Now, the ingredients he uses in this particular beard oil, I'm going to read it because I have it in front of me. It's sweet almond oil, safflower oil, grapeseed oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, olive oil, and castor oil. Now, it's very thick. Well, very thick. It is thick, so it lasts for a long time, and I would say 7 hours at least. This particular scent, I could still smell it after 6-7 hours, definitely. So, which is awesome. It's not thick like oily, where like oil is dripping down your beard or anything, but you're gonna have that feel of, you know, moisturized beard, nothing dry, or you know, it will be moisturized. You're gonna have a moisturized feeling of your beard with a nice smell. So my next one, the next that I'm gonna try from them, is Morocco. So they have these names that I just want to know what they stand for. Like trying these Early Riser and him explaining where the name comes from, that scent expressing exactly what he's saying. Oh my God, are you kidding me? I definitely gonna try Morocco. They have Woodsman, Barbershop Beard Oil, Simple Vanilla. Now, 1 ounce of Early Riser, it's $25. Now, the cheapest one, it's I believe 20, and then the most expensive one, which I believe it's Barbershop Beard Oil, $35 for 1 ounce bottle. So, you know, it is kind of pricey, but you know, it's not the end of the world. I would say it's one of the priciest actually beard oils on the market, but still, you don't have to apply it every day. You know, it's thick, so it lasts for a long time. And, you know, if you do it once in a while, it's going to last you for a while too. So, like I said, it's not the end of the world, but at the same time, it's not cheap either. Maybe down below, you let me know what you think about the price. I would definitely pay $25 or even $35 for the beard oil coming from the Bearded Bastard, because it's that good, and I'm definitely going to do it. And that's the reason why I went with this small sample, because I didn't know whether, you know, it was kind of pricey when I first looked at the prices. You know, I felt like it's too much. I felt like it's too high, like it's too much money for 1 ounce beard oil. But like I said, at the same time, I'm gonna try more samples. I don't know how much I pay for this little sample. I really don't remember. You can check it out on their website. I'll post the link down below. But I'm gonna try more samples. We'll pick one, the one that I like the most. Maybe I'll try all of them. I will pick the one that I like the most, and I will get the 1 ounce bottle and maybe even review that for you guys. So thank you for coming back, stopping by, watching this video. The Bearded Bastard, hands down to Jay Newton, hands down to Early Riser. You guys are doing a good job, and you guys are doing a good job too. And if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys, all right? I'll see you around. I'll see you soon. Cheers, guys. Thanks.